Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Cloud Functions with Firebase Hosting, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a Google Cloud and Firebase account. Visit the Firebase console and sign in. Create a new project by clicking on Add Project. Follow the prompts to set up your Firebase project. Once your project is created, navigate to the Functions tab on the left sidebar. Click on Get Started to enable Cloud Functions for your project. Open your terminal and install the Firebase CLI using npm. Run the command npm install g-firebase tools. After the installation, log into your Firebase account by executing Firebase login in the terminal. Now, navigate to the directory where you want to create your functions. Run Firebase init functions to set up Cloud Functions. Select your Firebase project from the list presented. Choose the language you want to use for your functions, either JavaScript or TypeScript. Select whether to use ESLint for code linting if you prefer. Decide whether to install dependencies right away, and proceed accordingly. Once initialization is complete, navigate to the functions directory created. Open the index.js file to write your first function. Define a simple HTTP function by using the following code snippet. Use the code const functions equals require Firebase functions. Follow this with exports.myfunction equals functions.https.onRequest req res equals. Inside the function, write res.send hello from Firebase. Save your changes and return to your terminal. Make sure you have the Firebase emulator suite installed by running Firebase emulators start. Test your function locally by navigating to the provided localhost URL in your browser. If the function works as expected, it's time to deploy. Run the command Firebase deploy only functions to deploy your function to Firebase. Once deployment is complete, take note of the HTTPS endpoint provided in the console. Now, navigate back to your Firebase project in the Firebase console. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.